This is Friday homework for 3/27/14. Shout out to Trevor Binder for being such a great basketball player. Here's your prompt. Wyatt hired an exterminator to get rid of the spiders that have taken over his home. The table below shows the cost C is related to hours of exterminating H. So here's your table, hours, 2, 4, 6, 8, and your cost, C, 500, 900, 1,300, and 1,700. Number 1, graph the data to show how the cost C changes based on the number of hours. First, we have a title. I just called it exterminating. And on the y-axis, I went up by what it went up on the table, so 0 by 500. So actually it didn't go up by that on the table. So 0, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000. And then for the hours, that's when I went up what it did on the table. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So if you find x and the y carets on the table, the y carets are 400 and the x carets are 2. And to find the y-intercept, you're going to have to work backwards. So I minus 2 from the x side and I minused 400 from the y side. So I got 0 and 100, so the y-intercept would be 100. And we have, for 2 hours, it's cost $500, so that point goes there. And then for 4 hours, it's $900, so then the point goes here. 6 hours, it's $1,300, so here. And then 8 hours, it's $1,700, so there. Number 2, write an equation that shows the relationship between hours H and C. Okay, so first off, this wouldn't be Y. This wouldn't be Y, it would be C. So C equals, and then this wouldn't be X, it would be H. So if we take the Y and the X caret, so if we take Y caret divided by X caret, 400 divided by 2, we get 200. So that's our unit rate, or our M. So C equals 200H plus 100. Number 3, what is the slope of our equation? Well, the linear setup for our problem is y equals mx plus b, so m is the slope. So if we have y equals 200x, or c equals 200h, then our m would be right in front of the h, so it would be 200. So our slope is 200. What does the slope mean in terms of the cost for exterminating spiders? So what it's telling us here is for every hour, it costs $200 of exterminating. So for every 1 hour of exterminating spiders, he pays $200. Okay, what is the y-intercept of your equation? If we go back here, we found out that 100, we worked backwards and we found out that 100 is our y-intercept, so this would be 100. What does the y-intercept mean in terms of the cost of exterminating spiders? So he starts out by paying, for no spiders exterminated, or no hours he's exterminated, he pays $100. So no matter what, he's going to pay $100 whether he works for an hour or not. It's always $100. Use the equation to show the cost after 24 hours of exterminating white spiders. So back here, our equation was C equals 200H plus 100. So if we're trying to find the cost and we have 24 hours, we're going to put in 24 for hours, so 24 for H, and our equation will be y equals 200 times 24 plus 100. So 200 times 24 is 1,000 or 4,800 plus 100 equals $4,900. Use the equation to show how many hours of exterminating Y it could purchase within $20,100. I don't even know. So our problem back here, once again, it's C equals 200H plus 100. So this time we're trying to find the cost, or no, we're trying to find how many hours. So you're going to put the cost they give you into the C slot. So you'll have 20,100 equals 200x plus 10, and you're solving for x. So you want to get x you want to get x by itself, so minus 10 from each side, and you get 20,090, equals 200x. Then you take this and divide it by 200 and 200, and you get 100.45 hours, 45 hours. So, yeah.